Like, I'm a proud Jamaican. I'm more than love to see Jamaica get better. Yo guys in America hard you see. We have that beautiful little country guys. You know make it stop mash it up no man. Jesus Christ. We want go home and just happy. Yo, everybody still want come to Jamaica. What? We not gonna make me cuss bad word yo. I'm not cuss no bad word, you know, cause I'm a disciplined guy. Listen to me. Jamaica. Listen, yo, sometimes when me did there, me see they all in New York State and see all advertise, and me see all my flags, and me see my country name. Yo, my head big like, my head big already. My head get big. Jesus, you change your country that there, you know. You see when me see all the like a country, and we go depend the track and field events them. It's a me I say athletic thing. And you see look of flags and with people them always a dance and them always look happy. We think just stand out different and the colour. You just see the colour in your head just yo, hear me now man. We want some good leader for that country, some businessman. You see me say I be a criminal right now. We want some business people. Take up that country there. And run it like a business. It's like a shop. Jamaica is like a shop and the owner the man amount everything. And put back no stock in the shop. And that's how the Prime Minister them do Jamaica right now. Just like that. Love a country man. Please me I beg you if you can do look better no man. Jesus Christ. You know I make it look like say whole will look a picnic them. They are the kids of vipers and they look a new generation of viper. Please guys. But then United States, I would like to come home, come relax and not even feel afraid. You see, even though Father God bless you spot I come from, but you me I say no, would like to see it better, even though these are the days though, but would like to see a better Jamaica. These are the days. These are the days. Mankind heart wicked. You see me I say. But yet would I still beg for a change. So I say, yeah man. But true Father God say, you know, before when I heard pass off, even an earth shall pass. But we can still live good. I believe so. Me go a quote and me see the me I go say that, yo, them try to separate black people from each other so much. Yo, I go to court and when the Chinese people them come up, them may judge them so they're supposed to go home and live good with their neighbor. That's what the judge demand them to do. Talk to your neighbor and if you live good. Can you believe that? And we see the same thing come with part. Black people and their neighbor come and then give them 1 year to stay away from them. 2 somebody will live on the same block. What is that? Me if you tell you think about it. That's why I tell you say we just need some love. Everybody I try to show love but we not show none. Bless upon yourself here. Just a little word. I'm not a great speaker but that's how I can, you know, put it together. Hope you guys understand it. And give me a little like and share it. So I say don't know me. Try a little thing. Man, I'm out. Have a blessed one.